The new Microsoft Timeline feature in Windows 10 is designed to allow you to resume from where you left off on multiple devices. Although Timeline supports Microsoft Edge for web browsing history, Chrome and Firefox have not yet been updated to officially support the new feature. A third-party developer has now created an extension of Chrome and Firefox to provide Windows Timeline compatibility to both browsers. The new extension is free and works exactly as expected. The browsing history will be synchronized with the Windows 10 Timeline feature, so you can recover old tabs on other PCs. The timeline in its current form is only really useful if you use multiple Windows 10 machines with the same account, so maybe a desktop computer at home and a laptop on the fly or a working machine. The new extension also allows you to send a website you are currently viewing to another machine with Windows 10.